Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete your Instagram account. If you're using Instagram and you want to delete your Instagram account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app, and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right, and then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now tap on the account center. Here just select personal details, then select account ownership and control, and from here you have to select deactivation or deletion. Then select your Instagram account, and here you just have to select this delete account option, then tap on this continue, and here just select continue option again. Then you have to select any reason, or if you don't want to select this continue, or you can also select a reason here. So let's say I'm going to select this one here, just select continue, then select continue option again. Now you can also export your information, or you can try to deactivate your account if you want to get a break from Instagram. So you can try to deactivate your account. Or another thing you can do, you can try to export all of your information from your Instagram account. And once you have done, just tap on this continue option here. And after that, you just need to enter your Instagram account password. And once you have entered your Instagram account password, your account will be permanently deleted. So in this way, you can easily delete your Instagram account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.